What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Empty by Juice WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll elbow drop your grandma off the top rope. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So the song is in standard tuning, and it's got 3 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord we need is A minor. It's going to be middle finger, 2nd fret, D string, ring finger, 2nd fret, G string, index finger, 1st fret, B string. Then we're going F major. You're going to bar the entire 1st fret with your index finger. Ring finger, 3rd fret, A string, pinky finger, 3rd fret, D string, middle finger, 2nd fret, G string. And then finally you need G major. It's going to be ring finger, 3rd fret, low E, middle finger, 2nd fret, A, pinky finger, high E string on the 3rd fret. Once you get the chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. What I'm doing is I'm muting in between those. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And you can do a muted down strum in between the 2 ups. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.